Good evening and welcome to Bedtime Stories with Lana. I'm Lana and I'm so glad you're here tonight. Welcome to Bedtime Sleep Stories, where gentle tales bring peace. After a long day, when life feels heavy, let this moment calm you. Tonight, we explore I Ching, Qian, the power of beginnings, crafted for grown-ups seeking rest. The rain falls softly, washing away your worries. Breathe deeply, feel the tension slip, and let the night guide you into stillness. Tonight, we step away from the rush, the endless hum of daily life, the weight of bills, kids, and time slipping by, and into a space of quiet strength. These words from the I Ching, Qian, are like a spark in the dark, a soft glow lighting your way to rest. After a long day, when your back aches and your mind won't settle, let them hold you gently. The rain falls now, a soothing rhythm, blending with your breath. Listen, feel, and drift as we begin this peaceful journey. Let the world fade, its noise, its demands, and come with me into the calm. For those of us in the middle years, juggling jobs, worrying about retirement, watching kids leave the nest, Qian speaks to you. It's ancient wisdom, over 3,000 years old, yet fresh as the rain outside. After decades of pushing through, paying the mortgage, soothing tantrums, chasing dreams that shift with age, this is your moment to pause, to recharge. The rain knows your story. Its steady fall a friend to your journey. It's seen the late nights at the office, the early mornings with coffee, the quiet wins you never brag about. Breathe in, let it settle around you. Breathe out, let the day slip away. Breathe in, slow and deep. Let the rain wrap you like a warm embrace. In the I Ching, Qian is the first hexagram, the symbol of the heavens, pure creative energy. It's the force that starts everything, the spark of life itself. The rain taps softly, inviting you to feel its power. Qian is the dragon soaring through the sky, mighty, limitless, yet serene. After a day of struggle, let this energy lift you. Imagine now a wide open sky, clouds parting, a new dawn breaking over the horizon. Qian whispers of fresh starts, of power that flows, not fights. The rain echoes it, steady, strong. The creative is strong. The I Ching tells us it moves forward, never ceasing. Feel that now, a quiet strength rising within you. After hours of grinding through, let it steady your soul. The rain falls, a constant pulse. This is the power of the heavens, not loud or brash, but deep, enduring. The wise one finds strength in stillness. The ancient words say, picture your day, its challenges, its weight. Maybe it was a doctor's bill that stung, a call from a kid far away, or just the grind wearing you down. Now let them fade, dissolving into the rain. Qian teaches us to begin again, to stand tall, breathe out, feel the strain slip away. The rain carries it off, leaving only calm, a gift for your night. Rest here. Let this power hold you as the darkness deepens. Take a moment, see yourself as that dragon, rising above it all. Your wings stretch wide, your spirit free. For folks like us who've weathered layoffs, raised teens, built a life from scratch, this is your time. The rain is your wind, lifting you gently. After everything you faced, the sleepless nights over money, the years of keeping it together, let this be your renewal. Qian is the spark of every action, the quiet force behind every step. Feel it now, glowing in your chest, a warmth, a light. Imagine an old oak, roots deep, branches wide. That's your resilience, standing strong. Breathe in, let it fill you. Breathe out, let it anchor you. The night opens, strong, peaceful, just for you. Picture yourself standing tall, the rain washing over you like a buddy who gets it. After years of giving, of carrying the family, Qian reminds you, you've still got it. Imagine a fire in the hearth, steady, warm, that's you, burning bright. The rain hums a melody of strength. Let it flow through you, easing every ache, every worry. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw loosen. The night is yours, a fresh page. Imagine a sunrise you once saw, full of promise. Qian holds that hope. Think of a win you earned, big or small, it's still there. Breathe in, feel its energy. Breathe out, let it settle. Pause here. Let your breath slow, the rain a steady companion. Qian isn't just power, it's persistence. The I Ching speaks of cycles, of energy that lasts. The creative works through perseverance. It says, the rain falls, a reminder of time's gentle flow. After a long day, When your knees ache, let this endurance cradle you. Picture a mountain standing tall through blizzards, floods, years. Qian is that mountain, unyielding yet calm. Strength comes from within, the wisdom tells us. It grows in silence. Feel that now, a core of grit deep inside. For those of us who've seen time fly, who've coached Little League, paid off cars, who kept going when the body said no, this is your strength. The rain softens the edges, washing away fatigue. After hours of effort, let it renew you. The dragon rests, then rises again. The I Ching reflects. Imagine that rest now, a break before the next climb. Your day's labors, they're done. Maybe it was the emails piling up, the grandkids wearing you out, or the quiet fear of slowing down. The rain is your refuge, a rhythm to lean into. Perseverance brings success. The words promise. Let go of yesterday. Feel your strength return. The night holds you. Steady, quiet, guiding you deeper into peace. See it now, a lone tree, bending but unbroken in the storm. You're that tree, strong yet still, for middle-aged hearts who fought battles. From boardrooms to backyards, this is your reward. The rain hums, a lullaby of endurance. After everything today, let this balance settle in. Feel your body relax, your mind unwind. Imagine the years behind you, like pages in a book softened by time. Think of the late nights, the early alarms, the moments you pushed through. The rain carries you gently into a deeper calm. Breathe in, let it steady you. Breathe out, let it lift you. Think of your life, the chapters written, the ones still to come. Qian is the thread tying them together. The rain falls, a soft echo of your path. After decades of holding steady, let this be your moment. Picture that mountain again, its peak dusted with snow. That's your spirit, enduring, calm. The rain wraps around it, a shawl of peace. Feel your breath deepen, your heart slow. Imagine a porch from years back, rocking in the quiet. Qian is that steadiness. Think of the dreams you chased, some won, some waiting. The night is kind, holding you close. Breathe in, feel its patience. Breathe out, let it soothe you. Breathe slowly now. Let the rain ease your shoulders where the day's tension grips. Qian is more than strength, it's clarity. The creative brings order. The I Ching teaches a purpose that cuts through the clutter. The rain falls, a soothing pulse after a day of fog. Let this clarity guide you. Imagine a night sky, stars punching through the black. Qian is that light, showing the way. The wise one aligns with the heavens. The words say, think of your day, its mess, its pulls. Maybe it was a choice about downsizing, a talk with a grown kid, or just the haze of too much. Now let them drift, fading into the rain. Qian offers direction, a quiet knowing. The rain whispers, steady, sure. To act with purpose is to harness power. The I Ching advises, feel that now, a sense of focus rising gently for those of us in midlife with scars to show and years to live. This is your anchor. After hours of scattered thoughts, let it center you. Picture your path, simple, clear. Maybe it's a plan to slow down, a hope for health, a dream rekindled. The rain smooths it, washing away doubt. Rest here in this gentle truth, purpose, a quiet gift for your night. See yourself now, standing under that sky, the rain a mirror of your calm. Qian is the compass, pointing you forward. After everything you've carried, the 401 key worries, the kids' college, the years of hustle, let this clarity take over. Feel the fog lift, your spirit lighten. Imagine a lone star, bright against the dark. That's your purpose. The rain flows, a steady stream carrying you closer to rest. Picture a choice you've wrestled. Qian holds its weight. Think of a time you knew your way. It's still there. Breathe in, let it guide you. Breathe out, let it hold you. Picture a quiet dawn years back when life felt open. Qian brings that back. A clarity that cuts through time. The rain falls. A rhythm of understanding. After decades of juggling, let this be your light. Feel your mind settle, your heart ease. Imagine a road ahead. No rush, just steps. The night stretches out, a clear trail unfolding. The rain hums, a song of purpose. Think of your younger self, bold and dreaming. Qian ties you to that fire. Imagine a wish you buried. It's waking now, wrapping you gently, carrying you deeper. Let your breath deepen, the rain a tender shroud. Qian ends where it begins, in stillness. The creative rests in silence. The I Ching murmurs, a power that needs no haste. The rain hums, a quiet call. After a long day, let this stillness wrap you. Picture a flame flickering low, its strength and quiet. In stillness, all things are possible. The wisdom says, feel that now, a calm that holds it all for middle-aged souls who've carried decades. This is your haven. The rain falls, soft, forgiving. After hours of striving, let it all go. The night opens, peaceful, strong, just for you. The wise one finds rest. The I Ching promises, and in rest finds power. Imagine that now, drifting off with the rain. Your day's weight, it's gone. Maybe it was the creak in your knees, the quiet dread of tomorrow's load, or just needing a break. Feel your shoulders soften, your breath slow. The rain carries it, leaving only peace. Think of a night you felt whole. Qian brings it back. You'll wake stronger, ready. Breathe in, let it fill you. Breathe out, let it take you. See it now, the sky still, a lantern glowing soft. The rain is your blanket, wrapping you tight. After everything today, let this stillness take over. Imagine your life, a quilt of years, folding into calm. Feel your body sink, your thoughts fade. Picture a riverbank, the rain kissing its edge. That's your mind, smooth, serene. The rain hums, a last whisper. Think of a laugh with your kids long ago. Qian keeps it alive, guiding you into sleep's embrace. Feel the ground beneath, solid, sure. Qian is the root, the bedrock. The rain falls, a lullaby for your soul. After years of running, let this be your rest. Imagine a warm hearth, its glow matching yours. The night is a friend, holding you close. Feel your heart ease, your hands relax. Picture a life you shaped, a legacy in small joys. The rain flows, a stream of peace carrying you gently into dreams. And so, tonight's journey fades. I hope these words from I Ching Qian have brought you peace, a strength for your soul after a long day. If you're still awake, longing for more calm, find me at Bedtime Stories with Lana, where gentle tales nurture your dreams. Thank you for sharing this quiet time with me. Now, let the rain ease you deeper. Feel the weight lift. Close your eyes and let sweet dreams carry you through the night until morning light. I'm Lana, your friend in the stillness, and I'll be here waiting with the next story to cradle you again. Sleep well tonight.